In this video, I'm going to show you the Cultist treasure map chest location in Once Human. So if I open up my inventory over here right now, and in case you've somewhere obtained this map and you don't know where, and it's called the Cultist's treasure map, and if you try to use it, it will show you an area over here where there's this X. I'm currently standing at this chest, it's right over here in front of me, and I'm going to show you where to find it. So on your map, as you can see, over here to the left of Tall Grass Inn, which is in Chalk Peak, you can see I'm standing here in this village. Just to the left of it, you basically can't miss it. And yeah, you can take a look at the coordinates at the bottom right of my screen, and this is where you can get it. So in this left part of this village, there's this little wooden house. I'm gonna go outside here, however, there's people gonna shoot me. There we go, you can see the silo over here, right from over here. And yeah, that's pretty much where it is, okay? You can find it in here. And as you can see, it's over here. You can open it up, and that's what you get. I'm going to show you in a second. So if it's gonna let me, there we go. You press F, and this is what you get: Energy Link, Battle Pass EXP, Stellar Planula, and Eclipse Cortex level 1. That's what you get, and you also complete a task that you have. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you find this chest location in Once Human. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.